Are you tired of relying on coffee to get through the day? What if I told you there's a better way to boost your energy naturally? Imagine waking up feeling refreshed without caffeine crashes or jitters. In this video, we'll reveal surprising techniques that will transform how you approach your daily routine. From ancient practices to modern science, these methods will help you unlock sustainable energy levels. But first, don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell to discover more life-changing tips. The morning alarm blares, and like clockwork, millions reach for their coffee machines. The rich aroma fills the air, promising temporary salvation from grogginess. Yet beneath this ritual lies a hidden truth. Our bodies possess natural mechanisms far more powerful than any caffeine fix. Consider Sarah, a marketing executive who once believed her mornings couldn't function without triple espresso shots. Her journey toward natural energy began unexpectedly during a work retreat in the mountains. With no coffee shops nearby, she discovered alternative ways to wake up that changed her life forever. Our bodies are intricate systems designed to generate energy through various means beyond stimulants. The secret begins with understanding circadian rhythms, the internal clocks governing our sleep-wake cycles. When these rhythms align with natural light patterns, amazing things happen. Early risers who catch the morning sun report sustained energy throughout the day. This isn't magic, it's biology. Sunlight triggers serotonin production, which later converts to melatonin for better sleep at night. It creates a virtuous cycle that artificial stimulants can never replicate. Temperature plays a crucial role too. Our ancestors understood this instinctively, starting their days with cool water rituals. Modern science confirms that brief exposure to cold water stimulates the vagus nerve, sending alertness signals throughout the body. This simple act can replace multiple cups of coffee while improving overall circulation. Even something as basic as proper hydration sets the stage for peak performance. Dehydration often masquerades as fatigue, fooling countless people into reaching for caffeine when what they really need is water. These fundamental principles form the foundation of natural energy enhancement. They're not quick fixes, but rather lifestyle adjustments that compound over time. The transformation might seem gradual, but its effects are profound and lasting. As we delve deeper into specific techniques, remember that each method builds upon these core concepts, creating a comprehensive approach to sustainable wakefulness. Movement holds the key to unlocking hidden reservoirs of vitality within our bodies. Ancient civilizations understood this connection between physical activity and energy levels long before modern fitness trends emerged. Tai Chi practitioners in China demonstrated remarkable stamina through gentle, flowing motions. Similarly, Indian yogis developed sequences specifically designed to invigorate the body and mind. These traditions share common ground with contemporary scientific findings about exercise-induced endorphin release and improved oxygen flow. Short bursts of movement throughout the day prove more effective than single extended workouts for maintaining consistent energy. Office workers who incorporate 5-minute stretching sessions every hour experience dramatic improvements in focus and productivity. Simple exercises like chair squats, wall push-ups, or even marching in place can reset mental clarity while boosting physical energy. The secret lies in activating major muscle groups without causing exhaustion. Think of it as pressing the refresh button on your system. Breathing techniques offer another powerful tool in the quest for natural energy. The Wim Hof method, combining specific breathing patterns with cold exposure, has gained popularity among high performers worldwide. However, you don't need elaborate systems to benefit from conscious breathing. Box breathing, inhaling for 4 counts, holding for 4, exhaling for 4, and pausing again, can significantly reduce stress while increasing alertness. Navy SEALs use this technique to maintain composure under pressure, proving its effectiveness in demanding situations. Nutrition plays an equally vital role in energy management. While many reach for sugary snacks during afternoon slumps, whole foods provide sustained fuel without the crash. Complex carbohydrates from sources like sweet potatoes release energy gradually, preventing spikes and drops in blood sugar. Healthy fats from avocados and nuts support cognitive function, while protein-rich foods aid in maintaining stable energy levels throughout the day. The combination creates a nutritional symphony that keeps both body and mind performing optimally. The mind-body connection represents perhaps the most underappreciated aspect of natural energy enhancement. Stress, anxiety, and mental fatigue drain our batteries faster than any physical exertion. This realization dawned on Michael, a software engineer accustomed to marathon coding sessions fueled by endless coffee refills. His breakthrough came when he discovered mindfulness meditation during a particularly stressful project deadline. Instead of reaching for his usual caffeine fix, he spent 10 minutes focusing on his breath. The result was astonishing mental clarity without the jittery edge of coffee. Creative expression serves as another unexpected energy booster. Activities like drawing, writing, or playing musical instruments engage different parts of the brain, stimulating neural pathways that promote wakefulness. Artists often describe entering a state of flow where time seems to disappear, replaced by intense focus and energy. This phenomenon isn't limited to professional creatives. Anyone can access this state through regular practice. Even doodling during meetings or keeping a gratitude journal can trigger similar effects. Social connections play a surprisingly significant role in maintaining energy levels. Humans are inherently social creatures, and meaningful interactions release oxytocin and other hormones associated with increased vitality. Group exercise classes demonstrate this principle perfectly. Participants consistently report higher energy levels compared to solo workouts. Laughter, in particular, acts as a natural stimulant, engaging multiple physiological systems simultaneously. Regular social engagement creates an upward spiral of positive energy that self-perpetuates. Environmental factors also influence our natural energy reserves. Air quality, lighting conditions, and even color schemes affect alertness and productivity. Natural light spaces with plants and proper ventilation foster greater energy levels than artificially lit cubicles. Incorporating elements of nature into workspaces, whether through actual plants or nature-inspired designs, can dramatically improve focus and reduce fatigue. These subtle environmental adjustments work in harmony with other energy-enhancing practices, amplifying their effects. Consistency emerges as the master key to unlocking sustainable energy without caffeine dependency. Like building muscle through regular exercise, developing natural energy requires commitment and patience. Quick fixes might provide immediate results, but lasting change demands systematic implementation of multiple strategies. The most successful individuals approach energy management as a holistic practice, integrating various techniques into their daily routines. Sleep hygiene stands as the cornerstone of this approach. Quality rest proves infinitely more valuable than any stimulant. Establishing regular sleep patterns, creating a relaxing bedtime routine, and optimizing sleep environment all contribute to better energy levels during waking hours. The traditional concept of sleep debt demonstrates how inadequate rest compounds over time, requiring increasingly desperate measures to compensate, usually involving more caffeine. Technology offers both challenges and solutions in this pursuit. While screen time and blue light exposure can disrupt natural rhythms, smart devices also provide tools for tracking and improving energy-related habits. Apps monitoring sleep patterns, movement, and nutrition help identify areas for improvement. Wearable technology provides real-time feedback on heart rate variability and stress levels, enabling proactive adjustments throughout the day. The journey toward natural energy enhancement transforms not just daily routines, but entire lifestyles. People who successfully transition away from caffeine dependency often report improved mood, better health markers, and enhanced overall well-being. Their experiences serve as inspiration for others seeking similar changes. Remember, every small step contributes to the larger goal of sustainable vitality. If these insights resonated with you, join our community of energy enthusiasts by subscribing to the channel. We regularly share practical tips and inspiring stories about living life to its fullest potential. Don't miss out on future content that could revolutionize your daily routine. Click that subscribe button now.